What is belly dancing and how do you know if you've seen the real thing? Stay with me because you're going to find out right now. Marhaba, hi, I'm American belly dancer Jensuya, dancing for almost 2 decades now, and in this video, I'm going to give you a definition of what belly dancing really is and some key points so you can figure out if you've seen authentic belly dancing. Chances are your introduction to belly dance has been something like this. Or maybe it's been something like this. It might even have been something like this. Or maybe it's been all three. In each of these clips, the belly dancer is there to tell a story and to move the story forward. If we take that scene out of that movie and say, oh, this is belly dancing, we're getting an entirely wrong opinion of what belly dancing really is. These are characters in a story, and people like to see things that are taboo or sexy or supposed to be naughty. What belly dancing actually is the art of putting the music on your body, of dancing with moves that represent both the sound and the feel of the music in a particular way, with a particular aesthetic, they call it in the dance world. So how can you tell if you've seen authentic belly dancing? My opinion, being an American belly dancer, not somebody who was born in the Middle East, but somebody who loves these arts that have roots there, is that it's not about where you were born with your art. It's about how you portray the emotion of the music in your dance. The more experience you have with technique and with understanding the music, the better you can convey the beauty and the emotion of the music. You, in essence, become the final member of the band, the visual member of the band. If when you're watching belly dance, you feel relaxed and you feel the emotion of the music, I think you're seeing the real deal. If you feel like now you know what belly dancing is, hit that like button and leave a comment and tell me what was your first encounter with belly dance. Then watch next one of our performances, and you can watch the playlist on New to Belly Dance. Start here. We'll see you on the next video.